right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 3, which is one of the Red Zone NFL card boxes. So we'll check the time, December 28th at 5:16 p.m. I'm going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. We have December 28th at 5:16 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That'll work. 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Nick. Spot 13 is our winner. So, Nick, you have the choice of me opening that box live tonight or having it sent to you sealed. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 28th, 5:17 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.